हेलो गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू लॉगरी। आई होप ऑल आर डूइंग ग्रेट। आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे हाउ टू प्रिपेयर फॉर एनएलसैट बीए एंट्रेंस एग्जाम इन 25 days फ्रॉम जीरो. So we are going to discuss the syllabus. We are going to talk about how to prepare for each and every topic, and also I'm going to provide a timetable for the same. ठीक है, तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का सेशन. NLSAT has part A as well as part B. The paper is divided into two parts basically, and part A basically has MCQ questions from reading comprehension, reasoning, and quantitative analysis. 75 marks का part A है, and part B has writing. Okay, so I'll go make you go through part B also first. Part B is subjective answer writing. Part B consists of four questions, four short questions, 150 words each. Will test critical thinking ability, analytical depth. ये ऐसे राइटिंग टाइप्स होते हैं बट शॉर्ट में होते हैं, और इनके जो आपको इश्यूज मिलेंगे वो प्रेजेंट कंटेम्प्रेरी मींस प्रेजेंट थीम्स रिगार्डिंग इंडिया एंड वर्ल्ड, बिकॉज this time war is going on, so you can expect a little in-depth questions. Part B will have four options for one long essay of 400 words each. The question will include a range of themes from the domains of history, politics, governance, society and economy, and require a response to a prompt which could be a statement or a keyword. Right, so this is your part A and part B. Now, how to prepare for part A? Part A has reading comprehensions in English. The topics are going to be from, these are the question types that you can be asked. ये question type है, ठीक है ना. अब इन question type को कैसे prepare करेंगे? Step 1 में you are going to find out the tips and tricks from Google. Okay, and then you're going to apply these tips and tricks on reading comprehensions. You can go for CLAT PYQs. The level is a good level, so CLAT PYQs, and you can solve RCs from CLAT PYQs. Mainly if one day you're researching about inference main or idea or this main purpose, then you find a RC which has all of these or one or two of these questions, and you solve them and you go to the explanation, check your reasoning with the explanation. Step 3 is, once you're done with all question types, you solve 4 to 5 RCs back to back so that you have a good speed, right? Then we have logical and critical reasoning, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, direction sense test, series, analogy, clocks and calendar. For this, you can buy a book called Verbal and Non-Verbal Reasoning by R.S. Agarwal. And then we have critical reasoning, wherein we have assumption, statement, conclusion, forcefulness of arguments in evaluating inferences. That is, you can go for a book by M.K. Pandey, Analytical Reasoning by M.K. Pandey. Okay, now you for LSAT, you can also go for LSAT book, but I would recommend at this point you go for M.K. Pandey. Quantitative analysis, I would say you do basic maths. For that, you can go for 30 Days Wonder by Ashton. You can also buy our maths course for this, which is based on 30 Days Wonder. You have to solve all of these days or these topics. If you are doing topic wise, please don't go for R.S. Agarwal's quantitative aptitude book, very heavy. ओके, ऑलिव बोर्ड की आप डाटा इंटरप्रिटेशन की बुक ले सकते हैं. यू कैन सॉल्व दीज क्वेश्चन, दीज टॉपिक्स इन पर्टिकुलर. Okay, then we have part B. For part B, you have to go through current affairs. The duration of current affairs that you need to cover for this is from June 2025 till April 2026. You can go for our myloggery.in one shot lectures, video lectures that we have. You can go for them. Okay, they're really, really good. The best part is we have provided the topics that can come within the lecture itself, and also extra information, or you can say extra content that you can add to your essays has been provided in each and every lecture. So very, very affordable, just for rupees 300 per month. And if you're buying from June to December 2025, you get them for rupees 1500 in bundle format, available on loggery.in. I'll provide the link. We also have NLSAT BA answer writing mock test plus writing course bundle, wherein your part B is going to be checked personally by me. We have 10 tests which are only for part B, and we also have an answer writing course, which is, all of this is just for rupees 5000. The link is going to be in the description box, and I'm going to personally check your answers and review them. Okay, now for the timetable, this is the timetable that you can follow. I've given you the targets for every 5 days. And yeah, if you have any queries, you can leave in the comments below, right? And also you can DM me on Instagram for your queries and for updates related to what we are putting on YouTube, or what new content we have come up with on our website, or whatever reels we are putting. You can join our WhatsApp group. The link is going to be in the description box. Thank you for watching. All the very best.